And we are live. Hello, FSS. Welcome you all to today's office hour. Today is March office hour. We run office hours every month to answer questions about FSA program, to teach you something new, to introduce you with many awesome Mozillians around the world. I'm Ikram, Regional Ambassador Lead from Bangladesh, and we have a special guest, Yofie from Indonesia. And Yofie will be talking about getting involved with community designs. So Yofie, can you introduce yourself and talk about your session?
Yeah, hello everyone. I hope everyone can hear me clearly. I'm Yofie from Jakarta, Indonesia. Uh, I already contribute on Mozilla projects, especially start become a Mozilla rep since 2011. And because I have backgrounds as web designer, which means I like everything related to design. So when we join the Mozilla events, usually most people that we meet there are developers, but not much designers. So yeah, today I'm glad that we already have a community design group that has started with the help from the Mozilla staff, Lucy Harris, and of course the hard work from Elio Kosi. And yeah, I already passed some links on the Etherpad if you want to check. I already wrote a blog on our local community site about the Mozilla Design Group community, this community group. And you can see there's a link to the presentation slides. And also, if you're interested to join this Mozilla community design group, you can just type in your name and your personal information on the registration form. And how maybe the most questions that people have is like how to join this. So yeah, you can just fill in the registration form, and after that, usually the platform that we used for this activities is using the GitHub. Maybe most designers are not really familiar with GitHub. I will share the GitHub link on the Etherpad as well, just in case if you haven't got that link. So of course, yes, you need to have a GitHub account that here on the Etherpad. And as you can see there, we already have so many issues that still open and already solved issues. And we have like monthly meetings about this community design group. So how we maximize the use of this community design group? You can, for example, it depends. Do you need help in terms of design? Of course, it means it is related to Mozilla projects. Like for example, maybe you need to some design of a mascot or a web for your local events related to the Mozilla activities. Of course, you can just post the issue, post a new issue there, and raise for help from anyone there. And if you someone that you think you can help to solve the issues there, you can help, like, or you can check on the issues there and see, okay, you think you can help to design this website, or maybe you can help to design a mascot or a logo. You can just chime in there and post and say that, okay, I can help with this, and then the issue will or the project will be assigned to you. And actually, it doesn't necessarily that you need to be a designer to help on this group. For example, like when we have an issue about building a website. Of course, yes, at first we need design help from web designers, or maybe some of you are graphic designers but interested to learn about the web design. You can just check on the issue there and the discussions on the GitHub. But it's not, I would say it's not only designers who can help there, because for example, maybe when you check this issue, for example, if you look at the Moscoffy website design that I post there, I'll give the link on the Etherpad as well. So if you check on the right bar, there are labels that it says developer needed, staff support needed, UI design needed. So it's not only UI or designers that is needed here, but also developers. So after the design is finished, then the developers can chime in and help on the issue. So if you're not a designer, but you're a developer, you can also help on this community design group as well. And yeah, we have, if you already joined this meeting, you will have an invitation to join the community design group call, which hold usually once a month. I think that's it from me.
Thank you, Yofie. So
Okay, back to Ikram.
yes. So if anyone wants to contribute, so what will be his or her first step? If anyone wants to contribute in community design, what will be his first step?
You can like fill in the registration form. I already passed the link on the Etherpad.
Okay.
I'm not 100% sure if you need some like confirmation from the admin to chime into the GitHub. But of course, I think you can, if you already have a GitHub account, you can just open the link to the GitHub, which I already passed there as well, the Mozilla Community Design issues. You can just click and you can see so many issues there, and you can just join on the discussions. Maybe there are some projects that still not assigned to anyone. You can just like say, okay, I want to help on this. You can help on the designing on some mascot. Maybe you want to help on designing a website. You can just post your and join the discussion, and the project will be assigned to you.
Okay, so we have few questions on the Etherpad. Let's see. So one was asking, my question is, where can I find list of campaign challenges? Is Take Back the Web campaign considered as a campaign challenge? So the thing is, we do not have marketing campaign challenge anymore. So Take Back the Web campaign is an advocacy campaign targeted to students that FS are highly encouraged to participate. So please check the Etherpad for the answer. So there was another person, Satya Murthy from Tamil Nadu. He's asking, how can I grow in field of designing with Mozilla? So can you answer, Yofie? Or in the Etherpad, that will be also work. So he was asking, how can I grow in field of designing with Mozilla? So you can answer him in the Etherpad too.
I'm not really catch the question. I'm sorry.
So it's on Etherpad line 12.
Yeah. Do you mean like how can you grow your skill by helping on the Mozilla projects in terms of design?
Maybe he was asking to say that.
Yeah, I mean Mozilla usually the Mozilla community usually fill with so many developers, but as you know, nowadays to build a good website or to build a good mobile apps or to build a good website that really works is not only developers that we need, not only the good developers but also good designers. So if you like to learn or you want to try to have some new experience in building websites or any other things that relate to the web, but you don't have coding skills, but you really have a big passion about design, you can help. You can use this group to improve your skills in terms of design and collaborate. Of course, the most important thing and interesting thing on this group, I think, about collaborating the designers and the developers. So I would say this is an interesting thing that you can join to grow your skill or yourself with Mozilla projects. Is that answer the question?
Yeah, that made perfect. So maybe we are that much right now because there is no more question in the Etherpad. So if it says there is take back the web campaign, so you might be interested to work on the campaign. Please see the Etherpad for more links, and uh, please see the if blog, which is also on the link to check out more details. So thank you, Yofie, for your time, and please check out the Etherpad if anyone have more questions for you.
Yep, sure. Thank you.
So that's all. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope to meet you in next episode. Thank you everyone.